Nothing is random. Every pain, delay, or change carries a purpose. There's no such thing as coincidence. The moment you felt broken, that job that you are worried about, the delay that made you cry, it was not random. It was redirection and it has purpose. So you are not here by accident. You are listening to this now for a reason because deep inside you, it is time for change. I used to think life was working against me, but looking back, every setback pointed me to this breakthrough. So imagine if I did not went through it, if I don't believe in myself. So there's really no coincidence. Everything is happening for a purpose. And that is the same as yours. So maybe if you see me, maybe this is your sign. Let us help one another. Nothing is random. Every pain, delay, and change carries a purpose. And that is a question I want to ask you. What it is that you want to achieve in life and why things are happening? Because there's a reason why. And this can be your redirection. So learn and reassess. And hopefully, you too can find the answer. So comment yes and let's help one another. Magtulungan tayo.